Dumplings are one of China's traditional foods. Chinese people have been eating them for 2,600 years. A piece of dough, a spoonful of filling, fold and seal. They are called jiaozi, which sounds like change in Chinese. Boil the wrapped dumplings in plain water and serve with sauce. Whether it's the treasure shape in the south or the ear shape in the north, they all carry Chinese people's love for family togetherness. There's an old saying, dumplings when you leave, noodles when you return. No matter where you go, a plate of hot dumplings can always make people think of their hometown and family.